हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल वेब सर्च। सो गाइस, आज मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही अमेजिंग किस्म का प्रोजेक्ट लेकर आया हूं जिसका मैं आज आपको कंप्लीट रिव्यू शेयर करूंगा। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन ऑल पर क्लिक कर लें ताकि मेरे आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियोस और नोटिफिकेशन आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचता रहे। और फ्रेंड्स, ये मेरी तरफ से किसी भी किस्म की फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस नहीं है और मैं ये सिर्फ आपको एजुकेशन पर्पस के लिए बता रहा हूँ। और फ्रेंड्स, आपने ये अपनी ओन रिस्क पर ओन इंटरेस्ट पर इसमें इन्वेस्ट करना है। और फ्रेंड्स, आपने मुझे मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल और डिस्कॉर्ड पर जरूर ज्वाइन कर लेना है, वहां पर भी मैं यहाँ पर इनके अपडेट्स देता रहता हूँ। तो फ्रेंड्स, चलते हैं आज के प्रोजेक्ट की रिव्यू की तरफ। तो लेट्स गो गाइस।
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new best profitable project where you can get the services related to internet protocol like IPs with a largest residential proxy network, that is 922 as 5 proxy. In this video I am going to share each and everything about it, that how can you can get 200 million rare residential IPs covering 190 plus countries. So here you can also get that IP resources are 100% real, and you can get also workingable IPs, and there is accurate local currency, and you can also set that you can get accurate locate country zip city and ISP with sportive, like you can download their software in your Windows, Mac operating system, Android or iOS Linux. Here you can also check details about their support. Their team is available 24/7 for you. So here this is the link where you can check out that how does this work. There are 100% real residential IP proxy that is highly purity and a stable IP line. Here you can get various proxy method that you can use for your personal computer, mobile devices, user pass authentications. Here is various purchasing types. You can use your IPs in number or GB wise. You can get your data security as anonymously access. You can get a complete way. Here is stable, efficient, unlimited concurrency. Next thing is about their grow your business with 922 as 5 proxy, where our clients is getting the fastest and most efficient residential proxy services by this platform. So here you can check out that IP type. There is IP type proxy IP locations. So you can compare 922 proxy with 911 as 5 proxy. Also there is a huge difference in proxy agreement, proxy header, and speed, stability, bandwidth compatibility. You can check out a lot of difference in it. Next is about their pricing plan. Like if you want to buy ISP proxy in IP wise, then you have to pay, this is the number of dollar. Next you can check out here is enterprise plan, also where you can get IP validity durations with a cheap price, large quantity favorable, with access that is covering 190 plus regions worldwide. You can get a proxy for residential. Stated proxies, the residential proxies are also available. You can use these IP proxies for data collection, brand data protections. Here is AdC, marketing research, search engine optimization. These are the purposes bar which you have to get the access to change the route of internet as IP proxy. There is multiple way to get proxy management, mobile app, user password authentication. Here is a complete white list, and you can check out details about that, in which country how much millions of IP are available. You can get all these resources successfully. There are residential IP purity above 99%, no charge if the IP cannot be used. You have to pay zero if you are not using IP. There is also 200 IP proxy for which you have to pay per IP 0.22. Here is 385 IPs. You can pay this number of price. Here you can check out what is the 50% off with plus bonuses IPs you can buy successfully. There are also some reviews, like there is a lot of customers that are working on it, and you can check out their reviews as they are getting their services the most popular proxy service provider. They are giving the award winning. Here you can check out some major partners of this global top residential proxy that is above 99% with a high anonymity. Like how does this work? You have known about the prices about their proxies for which you have to download, and if I want to use in my Mac operating system, I'll show you each and everything. You can also see what are the solutions. There is resources you can buy successfully, work on it. If you want to make account, you have to click on the sign up button and your account page will be open where you have to put some details, as there are sign up button where you can put your number of details as your email here. Then you have to put a 6 to 8 digit password. Then you have to put that password again. Here you can put your invitation code. I will provide this link in video description. Just you have to put all these detail here. You can click on the sign up button. Your account will be created successfully. In this way you can create your account successfully on it. Now if you have already made your account, you can do with Google login. I click on it and my account will be pop up login successfully. When I choose my login email on it, then I can register my account and I can get access of my account where the ISP proxy is available. As here you can check out what is the number of IPs, how MBs we have in our account. You can check out. You can also buy it successfully. Now if you want to use it, for which you have to download in your devices. As if we click on the main home interface, then you can see this is the proxy where you can download successfully, as there are resources for Windows. I click on the login and Windows button, so it is going to download app. So when it will be download, I'll show you that how does this work and how it looks like. Now our software has been downloaded and we have to open it, and I click on the installation button so that we can do this process, as this is also necessary for the 922.5 proxy installation in my device so that we can use it easily. So I click on the next and install button. It is going to install, and after extracting the files we can use it properly, and we can also handle these IPs successfully, as this is 100% working with a 99%. So here is 100% availability. Now we have to open it, and when it is going to install successfully, it will be pop up. Now you can also see this is the ISP proxy where you can click on the skip. Here is the button. Now you can click on the login button so that you can make work on it and start profit. So if you want to check out your IPs and how to connect on it, and you can also see all these search operations, as there is also coupon. If you want to do transaction, you want to buy the IP proxy, then you have to pay through this one. Like if you select this account details where you can put the number of IPs, how much you want to pay, you want to get, this is the number of IPs for which you have to pay this number, and you can choose the method like crypto, Alipay. Here is also PayPal debit card you can use for this payment method, and you have to purchase in it. Now I click on the login button here so that we can work on it. After logging to our account successfully, now you can check out, here is IPs are available, and you can also see that we can do this one. Like here is 6 IPs that we can use. If you want to do this one, you have to create your user on it, and there is also your profile where you can check out residential IP management. So when you will click on it here, you can also add your user on it successfully, so that you can, like this is the sub account where you can manage your sub account. As you can click on the add account, here you have to put your username, as if I want to use my user number 1, where you can put your password also, and there is also some details, as your password should be strong, and I put that password here. When you will put all this detail here, you can also put here that how MB you want. So if I want 10 MBs here, and click on the status and click on the confirm, it will be added successfully. Like here you can also see that username should be between 6 to 12. So here you can put 6 to 12 number, where you can put special characters numbers, and the password also be in 6 digit. When you will set all these detail here successfully, you can click on the confirm button and your user will be added successfully. In this way you can check out details on it, and now you can also do some details, as there is IP proxies that can be used. You can add another also. If you want to click on the to use, then you can choose this option. Like if you are commanding, you can also do here. Here you can check your global level details, in which country you want. You can check the random or main cities, your sticky IPs. Here you can, this is the port host name. Like you can check this is the post. You can also successfully added it, and you here is also some other details, like you have to directly working able, and you can check on the node. Like if you want to see this is the host name port, you can also add it. Like if you want to copy it, you can check out, and you can also see this one is the main thing that you have to add. If you want to create your user, then you can use your user here. Like this is the user interface where we can do it, and we can click successfully use. Like you have to click on the generate button. When you will click on it, then you can see here the post username and password. You can check out. Like if we want to use username with text and download, we can copy successfully all this command here. So in this way you can work. And now if you want to connect your IPs, then you can also download this app. You have to click on the program, you have to connect this one. When you will click on it, here is the proxy programming, where you have to click on the add programs. You can also import that IP settings that you have done on the proxy list. So now my friends, I am going to share the complete method step by step, how to configure an IP, how to change your IP address. As you can see, this is my IP, and if we want to see the IP list, so we have to download our app software. These are available. Here you can check out that we have 3 IPs now, and I am going to share the complete method, and I'll show you that how to change the IP. As if we want here like Canada IPs, and here you can check out the state is Yukon. Now we are going to change our IP address to White Horse. This is city that we want the IP. You can search out. If we have IPs, you can check out successfully to it. Like if you don't have, you can choose this one UK. Here is all England, and you can check out the city Grimsby. You can search out. In this way you can search out that there are available IP addresses of England. Now we want to change it. Like here is the, I want to click on the proxy connect. Here is the port address. You have to select it. Like this is 30,005. We have to click on it. It has been extracted. Now we have to click on the today now. There you can check out that we have check out this grim by. Like now we have imported, and we have to click on the next button. Is you have to copy this one port to forward address. Like we have already ported, and if I want to share to you, then here you can check out at the under port forward list. You have to click on it. Now you can check out here is Grimsby. Like we are going to change this IP address. We have to copy this one and go to your setting of your system. Here is my proxy setting. So after clicking on it, you have to click on the setup. Here you have to on it, and first I erase everything on it, and we have copied. Now you have to paste here. This is our port. You have to cut it, and here you can paste, and now you can also cut this remaining part as IP address. You have to click on this save button. Now I want to show you that we have changed our IP. This will be checked by IP info. Here I click IP info, Now you can also search here IP info to check out that on which region we are going to using our IP. Here you can check out successfully that we are using this Grimsby, and here you can check out successfully that we are Grimsby, and you can also see here we are using Grimsby. If I want to show you in a double tab, then you can choose here that this is what we are going to. So here my friends, you can check out that we have added this Grimsby, and here you can also search and you can check out that we have successfully added. Now if we want to refresh it, then you can also check out that we are using this one like Grimsby as England GB, that our address key. You can also check out that we have used successfully our IP. In this way you can change your IP, you can work on it. So I hope that you have cleared each and everything now.